Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. So literally today's Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, and I filmed the unboxing of a Glam Life collection, and while I was unboxing and filming the swatches, I literally had an epiphany of exactly what I wanted to do for my first set. So I'm here. Now, some of you may know these, some of you may not, but I have once before in my nail journey drawn a unicorn, like a unicorn head, and I named her Sky Chaser. So today I'm here to do Sky Chaser 2.0, but today I'll be using some Madam Glam. So on my base I have from this beautiful collection Cake Batter. Now this is just a nude. I know I'm going to finish this bottle, is going to be finished first from this collection because it's just the perfect base, and I've put it down on all 5 nails and I've measured it for my right hand. Yes, beautiful collection of these beautiful 8 polishes, and today I'm going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 colors are going to be going on my Sky Chaser 2.0, and on the base I have Cake Batter. But to draw Sky Chaser and all that good stuff, I'm going to need to get into my white gel paint and also my black gel paint. So I took out 24K. Now on 2 of the nails I want to have, like, you know, the unicorn horny sort of twisty whirly thing, and I want the gold as the base because I was going to use the foil, but I don't think is as gold as I really want it to be. So I'm going to use that, but the foil is going to go on the other 2 nails where I'll be doing a marble using some blooming gel, because I'm telling you, when I swatch these colors, if you've watched the swatch video, I'm sure I mention it, they marble so easily. Whereas Raven's collection last month, we were doing like tie-dye and putting the colors right next to each other and they didn't run into each other, but you're going to see anyway. Let me stop yapping. Yeah, so when you're talking, you accidentally can stop filming, and that's literally what I did. Okay, so I've got everything ready. Now this nail is where I'm going to paint Sky Chaser 2.0, and I have added some base coat. Well, I did 2 coats of the Cake Batter, very thin coats. I put some base coat, wiped the tacky layer, and added some matte. So I now have the perfect canvas. Just get rid of that. So I'm going to mute myself, guys, and I'm just going to let you watch because I definitely cannot talk while I'm doing this. So I will come back in once, you know, we've put the body down and all that good stuff. So here is how she's looking so far. Look at her mane. Oh, I'm so done. I need to find her a nice bow. So I'm going to now do the mouth and the eye. So her eye. So guys, look at how the nails are coming along. Now, because the other two nails were literally going to be identical, I've literally done one of each. Now, the marble one's coming out of the lamp. I'm going to show you it, and I'm going to do those two nails with you. So that's my marble nail. So on this nail, we're going to do this, but on this baby nail, we're going to do a marble. And because my colors are kind of marbling together, I don't think it will last. So I'm going to put some of this blooming gel and got to like there. And then on one side, I kind of went up. And then I went there. And then I brought the other side down. I'm going to go in again. I know it's looking like, it's blooming. So while that nail's in the lamp, we're going to get into this now. And I'm going to follow the same code. But because that nail's going to go there, I want it to go the other way. So I'm going to come to this corner. And I did about, I think, 3 or 4 before I cured. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are how the nails Here are how the nails look, not looked. I've put them on, obviously with some peel off base coat. And guys, what do we think? I only put a few little bling. And look at Sky Chaser 2.0. If I could honestly change anything about her, it would be her eyelash. I felt like I faffed about with it too much. I was even going to put a real eyelash, but I didn't have enough space. But what do we think? I absolutely love her. I gave her a full mane of curly hair, and it's my unicorn, so she's going to have pink ears. Yes, I love everything about her. Sky Chaser 2.0 featuring Madam Glam. It's a glam life. Now, tell me this is not a glam unicorn. This is a glam unicorn. Look at that. These are her charms. Oh, I love her so much. But I absolutely love you guys even more. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this little video. You know, I'm happy I went in with the gold foil because I think the polish would have just been like a bit too much. So, and it's my right hand, so that's why the poses are all a bit weird. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go outside quickly while the sun's out, see if I can get any pictures. Mama Does Nails, I love you, and I'm out. Please, 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 if you did like this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, then please consider joining the family. Guys, discount codes are on screen. Please feel free to use, share, save, spend, because you can save. Anyway, guys, I'm out. Bye.